Good morning, YouTube. It's Sunday, 2nd of January in Mallorca, and we're going to get out for a little bike ride. It's quite windy, so we'll see how that goes. It's about 14 degrees. I'm going to go up, do the classic garage loop. So leave Alcudia here, across to Sa Batalla, up Sa Batalla, up by the garage, back down Femenia, head to Palencia, back down the coast. So wind is north-south, so we should get a tailwind on the way back. And it should be fairly sheltered on the way there, be a bit sketchy on the way down Femenia, but it's supposed to ease off a little bit, so let's see how that goes. There's the bike. That is my Canyon Aeroad. It's 2023, 24. SRAM Rival, 62mm DT Swiss. These are a bit sketchy, these wheels in the wind, so that's what I'm worried about. This is a 2XL. I'm 6'4", so it's maybe slightly on the too big side, but very minuscule. I'm sort of between XL and 2XL, but I love this bike. Got this saddle from China for like 30 quid. It's amazing. It came with the Sa Batalla, what was it, SLR? Something like that. Very light, very nice. Didn't really love it. My butt didn't love it. So sold that on eBay. Bought 30 quid on from China and it's flipping good. SLX, these are pretty cool. Yeah, let's go for a ride. Gave the bike a bit of a clean over the weekend, so it's running smooth. It's been a bit rubbish weather. It's been raining a lot, so hopefully I don't get any flat tyres and there's no shit all over the roads. But let's find out. Oh man, she's running smooth. She's running smooth. There's nothing quite like a freshly clean bottom bracket. Butter smooth. We've also got somewhat of a tailwind through the Sa Batalla, which is very welcome. Thought it was going to be a crosswind. No idea if you can hear me. Wow, I've never gone through there that quick. Stinking tailwind. Normally it's always headwind, but nearly 37 k's an hour average through the Sa Batalla. Turned to head north out Sa Batalla, absolutely smacked by the crosswind. Couldn't even record it. Need two hands on the wheel, even here. Tell you what though, legs firing well today, and the bike feels good. Probably the tailwind as well. I think coming down the Femenia is going to be a bit sketchy with this wind, so we'll see how that goes. But we're just approaching Campanet, then across to Camari, and up Batalla. first like 24k of this ride is just through lovely farmland, quiet roads. I think I've seen 1 or 2 cars. It is February, sorry. But still, it's about another kilometre and then we head up to the mountains. And I am slightly worried about the wind. It's going to be a straight headwind down the Femenia. Wow. It's the little village of Kaimari, right at the bottom of Sa Batalla, as it heads up to the last town before the mountains. I'm in an incredibly fortunate position that 2 of the most popular roads on the island, called Sa Batalla and called Femenia, are my like local loop, which is it's amazing really. Right, here we go. Called Sa Batalla. .9 kilometres at 5%. It's a really nice climb. I'm just going to spin up to the... I'm not going to show you the whole climb because you've seen it 1,000,001 times before. But it's basically 3 stages. A first load of hairpins, and it levels off to a bit of a fast bit actually, and then another set of hairpins at the end. But go on YouTube and look for that if you want to look. I think though, might be my favourite climb on the island. It's got amazing views just the whole way up and so much variation. It's just very gradual, some fast bits, some slow bits, big views, amazing little twists and turns. Yeah, it's a good one. So on a clear day, you can see right the way across to Palma down there. Coming to the end of the first lot of switchbacks, and then fast rolling bit, big views, then a few more switchbacks up to the garage I'm sure you've all seen before. Wow, what a day. Windy up here though. It's just such an epic bit of road this. Big drop to the right, wouldn't want to go down there. But yeah, this is pretty gradual along here. Gets quite quick in a minute. So windy. This is the bit here you get a bit of speed. And then we cut through this, like cut in the rock, and I think it might be very windy. Ready? Holy shit! Holy fuck! That was precision. Oh my god, that is sketchy. Oh. Holy shit balls. Holy moly, that was wild. That rock tunnel was literally a funnel. Here are the last few bits of switchback, and probably the steepest bits of the climb. So if you do this, save something in the tank for the back end. I'll see you at the top. I pulled over to show you this. take me all the way down here, so right the way across to Alcudia. Wow. Probably way too much to my leg. Right, vamos. And then, across the bridge. It's the Repsol garage. Oh, there's running water. That's the first running water I've seen all winter. Goes to show how much it rained. Well, I go. You can hear the baby. Oh, sweet. Right, just got to the top of Sa Batalla. Check my phone in case anyone needs me. Here is the garage. We've all seen it before. Probably saves many a bonk. Voila. But yeah, now we'll head down Femenia. I actually think the wind, it's going to be windy, but it's like, it's going to be a crosswind. I'm going to take it easy. I don't know how much I'll be able to film with this. This bike is sketchy going downhill. So here's the top of the Col di Femenia, and I absolutely daren't record anything going down. It's way too windy, so sketchy. So go elsewhere for that. But drop down now into Polenta, probably cut across and avoid the wind. Hopefully see you at the bottom. God, brutal headwind the whole way. The past 15k just savage headwind, hardly moving. But I've flipped south now, so should be some sort of a tailwind home along the front. Now I've said that, probably won't be. But yeah, nearly back. But that was hard work. That tailwind again, we're moving. We're moving. We're really moving now. Right along. Right, there we go, right over. I'm just rolling it home now. Stopped at Lidl, got some lunch, got some bread. Just spinning it home now down the coast. It's like 2 minutes. That was a great little ride. That wind though got a little savage, I won't lie. It was a bit sketchy coming down the Femenia, and then just brutal into Puerto Polenta, but it flipped. Give you the stats in a minute. go, we're back. See what the scores on the doors are. That wind was brutal on the way home. 67.8 kilometres, average 28k an hour. It's quite good for that route. 235 watts average. Nice. Look at this wind. But yeah, it's a really good loop, that. As I was saying, sketchy down the Femenia, especially on those wheels. And then just a straight headwind down to Plensa on the fast road. But then down the coast, tailwind, flipped right behind. So that was very nice. But yeah, if you're in this part of Mallorca, that's the ride you've got to do. I'll link the Strava route in the bio, in the description. But yeah, I'm making an active effort in 2025 to do more YouTube. So if you want to see more, please subscribe, please follow along. I'm going to try my best, and videos will get better, I promise. I'm going to do some cool challenges as well this year, do some cool stuff. I've done a lot of cool stuff, and I wish I'd started doing YouTube earlier. So yeah, if you want to see more, please subscribe. I'll be back in the next one. Peace.